And they're off. Early lead is taken by Taralets by the rail, and moving up on the outside is entry number 5, and that is Superior Arch. And heading for the backstretch, it's Superior Arch in the lead, followed by Taralets in second, Dugusto King, and Samurai Joe moving up by the rail is entry number 2, Sure Na. Into the backstretch, it's entry number 5, Superior Art moving up on the outside, Dugusto King, and Sure Na on the farther outside. And the mid-back stretch, Dugusto King in the lead, followed by Sure Na and Taralets, and by the rail Superior Arts, and bringing up the rear is entry number 4, and that is Samurai Joe. Nearing the far turn, it's Superior Arts once again in the lead, followed by Taralets, and Sure Na moving up on the outside in third, Dugusto King and Samurai Joe. Rounding the far turn, it's still Superior Arts in the lead, followed by Taralets in second, and Sure Na remains in third by 3.5 lengths, Dugusto King and Samurai Joe. The last bend for home, Taralets on the outside and Superior Arts by the rail. And running in third by 5.5 lengths is Sure Na, Dugusto King and Samurai Joe. At the top of the stretch, it's Taralets on the outside, followed by Superior Arts by the rail. And closing in third is Sure Na and Dugusto King by the rail, Samurai Joe. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Taralets in the lead. It's Taralets and Superior Arts moving up once again by the rail. Taralets on the outside, Superior Arts by the rail. Superior Arts by the rail, Taralets on the outside. And at the payoff line, it's going to be Superior Arts, Taralets, Sure Na, Dugusto King, Samurai Joe.